Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mde. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. Today I'm recording something that I always do, but I've never thought to record. So I thought, okay, fine, somebody might want to see this, so let me just do it. This is fried yam today, but I'm using palm oil. The only difference is when you're using palm oil, you need to bleach your oil. So you're not frying directly into the red thick paste. You're bleaching it so that it becomes this light liquid you're seeing. Okay, so I already have a video where I talk about yam, I peel yam, so I didn't see any point to bringing that in here. This is pretty straightforward. You cut your yam into the desired pieces that you like, desired shape that you like. My favorite shape is finger yam, but I was too lazy to do that today. So you salt it and then you drop it in the oil. That's basically it. Now what you do is, like, why I'm poking that fork in is because if you're not sure if your yam is done, you can poke a fork you can poke a fork in the middle. You can poke a fork in the middle, and then if it goes through and then it has those bubbles, you're good to go. You can take it out. Fried yam does not take time. It's basically repeating the same process over and over and over. You put in your batches, you let them fry on one side, and then you turn. When I'm using palm oil, I always try to cover the pot because sometimes you can have splashes, okay? And then you don't move your yam immediately, you drop it in, you allow it to fry and get crispy on one side. And then I don't know if you can tell, but you can see little bubbles and like little elevated bumps on the pieces of yam when both sides are well fried. That's also another way for you to know when your yam is ready, okay? So frying with palm oil, basically you just have to be careful because once you bleach and you have that smoky effect, you don't want to choke on the smell, so you can reduce your light and let it cook properly in it, okay? And then another way that you can fry yam is to drop your pieces. And now remember that I'm using old yam, this is bongo yam, okay? So I can afford to drop in a little bit of water because the pieces are very fat. If you want your yam pieces very fat and you want it to cook properly, you need to drop a little bit of water as the yam is frying. Immediately you drop it so that it cooks and fries at the same time, okay? But when you're using new yam, no need. And when your yam is quite, these pieces are slim, then you can get away with doing that without the water. Okay, so I served this with egg sauce, with fried egg, peppered sauce, and a little bit of ketchup. And guys, it was divine. I'm telling you, fried yam is just a staple. It just works any and every time. And with palm oil, is like a whole different taste. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I appreciate you. Please hit the subscribe button. Please share this recipe to your friends. Mwah.